Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to talk about Filmora 10. I will be explaining in this video how to use motion tracking in Filmora 10. I have a Filmora 10 already and I was using from a month right now, and it really amazed me, and the motion tracking is the one of the best feature Filmora 10 have added already, and that's will make your video go to the next level. You don't need to any other like expensive software for video editing. This will be enough for you. Now let's start talking how you can use Filmora 10 for motion tracking. I have a video clip already recorded here. I bring in my media library. You can simply click on your media and just right click import. You can bring your media, and this video we are going to drop in our timeline. First play just video. I can show you what we are going to track. I have my daughter, she's waving her hand, so we are going to track her hand and using as a motion tracking. So for motion tracking we are going to right click on our video clip, and from the list you will go through here. You will see motion tracking over here, and you can also have a short key Alt X as well. You can click on video clip and you will see here little square box, and that's also have a motion tracking. You simply click on it and will say here start tracking. So as soon as we click on motion tracking, you will see this box appear on our video library. We just shrink it down and place it on what you want to track. As much as smaller box you will make it, it will track that narrow area. Bigger one you can like a biggest element you want to track. I'm going to track our hand, and we will like say start tracking. First what you're going to do is going to play, and this one you will see it will go all the way 100%, and it just recognize her hand first. So this box will follow her hand, or any other moving object you have a tracking, it will start following. So now we are going to wait until it get 100%. Once you see 100%, it says none over here because I have nothing yet. We are going to track. Now you can add anything you want to track. If you have any element you want to track, you can track any element, you can track any effect, but it depends on how long you want to track. If you have an element, you will not have any option to extend, because this is duration only for 5 seconds. You can slow down speed and duration, but otherwise this is the one we are going to track. So now we are going to click again on our video clip, and then you see motion. From here we are going to say boom. You click on a boom, so that means we are going to motion tracking as a boom. Just simply press OK. You click on a boom, and you can bring it here where you want to, like how according to the size. I will bring like small, and we can place here around. You can place anywhere, it doesn't matter. It will still move according to her hand movement. Now just play your clip and you will see what's going to be happen. As she is going to move her hand, this boom or any title. Now we will add one title. You can choose any title you want. I can use here plain text. I'm gonna bring this one here. I will expand, and now you can rename your title. I will put her name Mandy, and I'm going to use one from preset. Okay, from here I will shrink it and place it close to her hand. Okay, now we are going to click on our video clip here, none. I will say basic 4 because that's the title. Okay, you play and you will see her name is moving along with her hand. That's the way you can use motion tracking and Filmora 10. That's all for today. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.